Music Toy!
Minus. Paano?
Mga kapuso, mas gipaligon ang GMA RTV Balitang Bisdak. Ang paghatod sa mga dagkong mga balita sa Central ug Eastern Visayas ug mas gipaduol sa atong mga viewers kung giunsa kini atong sayran pinagi sa atong presentasyon.
Kini ang GMA Regional TV Balitang Bisdak.
Going back to our Communication 101, ang mga elemento sa news mao ang prominence. Buti pasabot ang mga tao nga naglangkob sa balita. Timeliness ang gikusgon sa pagkuha sa balita nato ug ingon man proximity. Ang mga tao sa local mas interesado nga maminaw sa mga balita ug unsay nagapanghitabo sa ilang palibot ikumparar sa hitabo sa kauluhan ug sa gawas sa nasod. Mao kana ang concentration sa Balitang Bisdak because local news matters for Central and Eastern Visayas viewers.
Dili lang kita tulay sa kasayuran kundi kita usab ang agianan sa kausaban gikan sa grassroots o kinasukang dapit. Purok, sityo o barangay man masayran o makuha dayon nato ang mga kasikas diin diha dayon. Mapadangat nato ngadto sa mahingtungdan ang problema aron mapangitaan o dinali ang solusyon.
GMA RTV Balitang Bisdak has been instrumental in the delivery of the biggest and most relevant stories in the community. And one of the clear manifestations of your trust in the program is your reaching out for us to air the concerns in your locality. And we have proven time and again, your news is our news because local news matters.
With our digital mobile news gathering facility, I am able to bring the much-needed videos and reports the latest gathered from the field. Akong mahatod ang mga labas nga mga panghitabo.
Bisan asa nga lungsod, syudad o probinsya pa dinhi sa Central ug Eastern Visayas, basta naay dakong balita, andam namo kining adtuon, mapaambit lang sa mga viewers ang impormasyon nga ilang gikinahanglan.
Aided with the new technology, I can now gather more stories. While we still have deadlines to beat, we are now able and capable of pursuing stories that are big, timely, relevant, and close to the hearts of the viewers in the region as they happen.
Napamatud-an na sa GMA RTV Balitang Bisdak nga kita ang nagunang programa sa kinatibuk ang Central ug Eastern Visayas. Tungod kini kay wa kitay gipili nga oras o panahon nga mohatod sa mga dagkong panghitabo.
Breaking stories knows no time. Balitang Bisdak news teams are always on alert to immediately respond to any eventuality. And rest assured that we will be there when the news happens.
As senior guest, it has been my task to see to it that big and relevant stories are covered as it happens because our viewers deserve the best of what we can give.
Among ipasalig nga mas paligunon pa namo ang among mga balita ug ang mga nagkadaiyang segments nga nahimo ng parte sa inyong adlaw. Sama sa GMA Regional TV presents Balitang Barangay, Manlaag Ta, Lami Siya, Spread Kindness ug Saman. Kami nang hinaot nga dungan sa among pagpalikon sa mga programa nga usa na karon ka household name, padayon gihapon ang inyong pagsuporta sa GMA RTV Balitang Bisdak matag adlaw, Lunes hangtod sa Biyernes.
Through the years, Balitang Bisdak has made a niche in local newscast in Central and Eastern Visayas. In 2017, Balitang Bisdak further challenged itself, widening its reach across the Visayan region and becoming available in Negros Oriental, Siquijor, Leyte, and Bohol provinces. It currently airs in Cebu, Leyte, Siquijor, Bohol, and parts of Negros Oriental through GMA Network's local channels GMA 7 Cebu, GMA 10 Tacloban, GMA 11 Bohol, and GMA 12 Ormoc. Local news matters, and we owe Balitang Bisdak success to our loyal Kapuso viewers. And this is why you can be assured that we will continue to give you the highest quality of news reportage only GMA Regional TV can deliver.
GMA Regional TV's local flagship news program, Balitang Bisdak, continues to get bigger and better with its fresh new look and leveled up content as part of our commitment to delivering news that matter to local audience. Veering away from traditional methods of news reporting, Balitang Bisdak's news set boasts of a more relaxed setup with couches instead of the tables and chairs that viewers usually see on typical newscast. The Balitang Bisdak studio indeed becomes an extension of viewers' living room, further connecting the news anchors and the viewers. As a game changer, in addition to the new studio set, Balitang Bisdak opens its doors to the public as it invites viewers to participate as live studio audience every Friday. GMA Regional TV continues to innovate so that we can ride the waves of change. Rest assured that we are not only modernizing our sets and studio, we continue to be consistent in providing quality service to you, our regional viewers.
Kini ang GMA Regional TV Balitang Bisdak.